Gee. I am so sick of my parents grounding me. What they don't understand is that I have a YouTube channel and I do bad things for YouTube videos. I am so sick of my parents. They grounded me before because I was doing plate smashing at Walmart with Michael Luzzi. I did that for a YouTube video. I am so done with my parents. I need to get revenge on them. I know what I will do for revenge. I will blast Darude Sandstorm at 3 a.m. tonight. That way, my parents can be taught a lesson. I have a large speaker I can use. I also have the song on a CD. So I am good to go. Ha 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 ha. I am going to the basement now to get the supplies. Yes. Here is the speaker and the CD. Yes. I got the speaker and the CD. From the basement. Now all I have to do is wait until 3 a.m. Okay. It is 3 a.m. Time to give my parents what they deserve. Mom. When did you two come here?
Oh. We have been here for a little while, Jack Doherty. Where did you get that speaker from?
I got it from the basement.
Well? You better put that speaker back in the basement now. That music was so loud that I think I am feeling lost now. Jack Doherty. How dare you blast Darude Sandstorm at 3 a.m.? That's it! You are grounded for 4567876545678765434 million years. Now stay in your room now.
Wah 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 wah.